Hi, welcome to Padai Planet, and we have another questions from probability. So let's start this quickly. There's a box which has got 5 red marbles and 8 white marbles and 4 green marbles. One marble is taken out of the box at random, right? Now we need to find the probability that the marble is of red color or white color, and the third one is it is not green in color, right? So let's just see, the first thing is that what are the possible total outcomes, right? So the possible total outcomes, it could be, you know that's like equal to the 5 red marbles. So there can be 5 outcomes from the red marbles. There are 8 white marbles, so there could be 8 outcomes from the white marbles. Similarly, there are 4 green marbles, so there could be 4 outcomes, right? So whenever these marbles are picked up randomly, so either anyone from the green can be picked up, anyone from white marbles could be picked up, or anyone from the red marbles could be picked up. So in total, if we add them, we can see that there could be 17 different outcomes which are possible, right? So there are 17 outcomes, or I would say the possible outcomes, right? Now we need to find out the first one, the red one. So PR is equal to the 5. There are 5 red marbles, so we can write like 5 outcomes of the possible outcomes of the red marbles, that is 5 because there are only 5 marbles, and divided by the total number of possible outcomes, so that's like 17. The second one is, they are saying the white marbles, so the total number of white marbles are 8. So maximum only 8 white marbles can come out. So the probability is going to be like 8 divided by 70. Similarly, the third one is, it is not green, right? So I'm just putting this dash because dash denotes the not of the green, right? So PG dash is equal to, now what we understand with this question is that there are 3 different kinds of marbles, right? Red, white and green. Now if we pick any one of them, at only the only thing which will get picked up is either red or white or green. These are the only 3 possible things. There cannot be any other fourth possibility. So that means, when we know that only red can be picked up or white can be picked up and green can be picked up, so that means the possibility of the green not getting picked up is means that these two are going to get picked up. That's the only possibility. So because if green is not getting picked up, then either the red will get picked up or the white one will get picked up. So what we'll do is we'll add up these two. So actually P not green, probability of not green, is equal to the probability of red plus the probability of white. So it will be like 5 over 17 plus 8 over 17, and that will be 13 over 17. So this is how we have solved this, and this was pretty simple. But the third one here, this one, you need to be very clear, because they are asking about probability of not green. Not green means it is 100% sure that either this one or this one, right? So we will have to add up both the probabilities, right? So thank you so much, and keep watching. I'll be coming up with more questions of probability very soon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.